In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the DoorDash app, whether you're using a new device looking to switch accounts or simply need to log out for security reasons. The process is pretty straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together, allowing you to easily manage your DoorDash account on any compatible device. To begin, make sure you launch the DoorDash app on your smartphone or tablet. Look for the familiar red icon with a white D. Once you've opened the app, you'll land on the home screen where you typically browse and order your favorite meals. Next, you want to locate your account settings. This is done by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This section is sometimes referred to as Accounts and acts as your dashboard, showing various details like past orders and payment methods. It might also include options related to delivery addresses and DoorDash Pass if you're a subscriber. Within the account settings, you might notice a list of all the things that make DoorDash convenient and customizable. Still, for right now, we're focused on logging out, so scroll all the way to the bottom of this accounts page. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this page as it holds valuable options for personalizing your service. Now, once you've reached the bottom of this section, you'll find the logout option clearly displayed. It's designed to be easily accessible for users who need to log out quickly, but remember that logging out will disconnect you from the app, so be sure you have all the necessary information if you're planning on logging back in soon, especially if you're using a shared device. Simply tap on logout and confirm your choice if prompted. The app will then sign you out and you'll be returned to the starting page or login screen where you can either choose to log in again or close the application. This process effectively ends your current session on the device, ensuring that no one else can access your account without re-entering your login details. Just like that, you've successfully logged out of the DoorDash app. Keeping your account secure is essential, especially when managing sensitive information like payment methods and delivery addresses. Now that you know how to log out, you can confidently manage your sessions across multiple devices. That's all for today's guide. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and that you feel empowered to manage your DoorDash experience effortlessly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more handy tutorials to navigate your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.